This is really neat. I've been through a lot of physical therapy, and this kind of makes a different way to do it, and it kind of takes the monotony out of it. And I feel like I'm getting a lot out of it.
I was doing that game, I was actually like really focusing on using my left leg, which is my weaker leg. And I said it just took my brain out of it. It was just like, you could just do this. It was fine. You're holding, you're standing on it, you're just holding it, you're not falling over, and it's good. So, I mean, I really like, and I feel like I'm making progress.
I feel it in my legs, I can feel it like in my hips, which is what we were actually working on. I can feel it in my shoulders, like my back muscles, all that stuff.
Yeah, because once you lean forward, you have to really contract the back.
Yeah, it's like really like a full body workout.
It's like sometimes when it makes me move to the right or the left, I feel like it helps with my coordination. And so that's where I see the biggest benefit. And then it's fun, so you don't realize you're getting some type of therapy while you're having fun.
There you go, good. Good job. Yeah.
The VR has really helped me so much. I have weakness in both legs, both ankles, so that's to isolate the muscles and then become stronger. You're also trying to balance and use the right motion to hit the target, so it's pretty hard, but it's pretty good, yeah.
My left side's been affected because of my stroke, so catching things and having to look around and move, it keeps you more involved, I think.
And a little bit of cardio and some muscle movement. It's a little bit of everything. It's definitely a workout. It's fun.
And I tested out the virtual reality because, not that will help you your balance coordination, but your mind is focused on the game as opposed to you're worrying about your balance.